Hey everyone, Samad here. Welcome back to the channel. Today, we're diving into the world of trading platforms and tools, the stuff that can take your trading game to a whole new level. We need the right tools to analyze charts, manage risk, and ultimately, make those smart trading decisions. So, in this video, I'm going to break down some of the best trading platforms and tools out there. Whether you're a beginner or a seasoned pro, these tools can help you make better trading decisions. Okay, so let's face it, choosing a trading platform can feel a little overwhelming, especially when you're first starting out. There are literally hundreds of options out there, each with its own set of bells and whistles. First and foremost, you need a platform that aligns with your trading style and goals. Are you a scalper looking to profit from small price movements, or are you more of a long-term investor? Different platforms cater to different trading styles. Next up, you gotta consider the fees. Every platform out there is going to have some sort of fee structure, whether it's commissions, spreads, or monthly subscription fees. And listen, those fees can really eat into your profits if you're not careful. Reliability and security are non-negotiable. You're trusting this platform with your hard-earned money, so you need to make sure it's stable, secure, and isn't going to crash on you right when you're about to make a killer trade. Look for platforms that have a solid track record, strong security protocols, and positive reviews from other users. Throughout this video, I'll be diving into the specifics of different platforms and tools, highlighting their strengths and weaknesses so you can make an informed decision. Forex, short for foreign exchange, is basically the global marketplace where currencies are traded. Every time you travel to a different country and exchange your money, you're participating in the Forex market. Now, what makes Forex so attractive to traders is its sheer size and liquidity. We're talking about trillions with a T of dollars changing hands every single day. This massive volume means that there are always buyers and sellers, making it super easy to get in and out of trades quickly. Another cool thing about Forex is that it's a 24/5 market. Unlike the stock market, which has specific trading hours, Forex trading happens around the clock, across different time zones. But here's the catch. And it's a big one. Forex is also highly leveraged. Now let's talk about some platforms and tools that can help you navigate the exciting world of Forex. First up, let's talk about TradingView, a powerful charting platform that's become incredibly popular among traders of all levels. TradingView is like the Swiss Army knife of charting tools, offering a ridiculous amount of features that can help you analyze the markets like a pro. One of the things I love most about TradingView is its intuitive and customizable interface. You can create your own personalized workspaces, arrange your charts exactly how you like them, and even choose from a bunch of different themes to match your style. But it's not just about looks. TradingView is absolutely packed with advanced charting tools and indicators. We're talking hundreds of technical indicators, drawing tools, and chart types that can help you identify trends, spot potential reversals, and time your trades perfectly. And the best part? TradingView integrates seamlessly with a ton of different brokers. This means you can analyze your charts on TradingView and then execute your trades directly through your brokerage account without having to switch between platforms. Overall, whether you're a seasoned trader or just starting out, TradingView is a fantastic tool that can seriously up your charting game. Next up, we've got the heavy hitters of the trading platform world. MT4 and MT5, also known as MT4 and MT5. These platforms have been around for ages and are widely used by traders and brokers all over the globe. They're known for their robust features, advanced trading capabilities, and algorithmic trading support. Let's start with MT4. This platform has been a favorite among Forex traders for years, and for good reason. It's known for its user-friendly interface, even if it might seem a little dated compared to some of the newer platforms out there. MT4 comes loaded with a ton of technical indicators, charting tools, and order types that give you a lot of flexibility in your trading. Plus, it supports automated trading through expert advisors, which are basically trading robots that can execute trades on your behalf based on predefined rules. Now, MT5 is the newer version of the platform, and it comes with even more features and capabilities. It offers a wider range of timeframes for analysis, more order types, and an improved charting interface. Alright, let's talk about the heart and soul of trading charts and candlesticks. These are the visual representations of price movements in the market, and they hold a wealth of information that can help us make smarter trading decisions. Think of a candlestick chart like a storybook. Each candlestick tells a story about the battle between buyers and sellers during a specific time frame. The body of the candlestick represents the price range between the opening and closing prices, while the wicks, or shadows, show you the high and low prices reached during that period. Now, there are different types of candlesticks, each with its own unique shape and meaning. For example, a long green candlestick usually indicates strong buying pressure, while a long red candlestick suggests strong selling pressure. By learning how to read candlestick patterns, you can start to identify potential trading opportunities, but candlesticks are just one piece of the puzzle. The key here is to combine your knowledge of candlesticks and chart patterns with other forms of analysis, like technical indicators and market sentiment. So there you have it. We've covered some of the most popular and powerful trading platforms and tools that can help you navigate the exciting world of trading. Remember, the key is to find the tools that best fit your individual trading style, goals, and budget. And most importantly, never stop learning and refining your trading skills. Thanks for watching. If you found this video helpful, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more trading tips and insights. And leave a comment below with your favorite trading platform or tool. I'd love to hear what you're using to crush the markets.